Hi guys, my name is Russ A. We're at Lee's Auto and RV Ranch in Ellington, Connecticut. Today I got a 2026 17SC. Couples unit. Got a nice little storage bin right here. Good size for a little camper. Got a 20-pound tank. They give you one 20-pound tank, and they'll also give you a battery to go with it. You got a solid rock guard. Also, your sidewall here is all automotive paint, so it's not going to chip and fade on you. You have an outside an outside refrigerator here. You can use it as a cutting board if you wanted to. Black tank flush. So when you dump your holding tank, you put a hose to that, and it works like a sprinkler system inside your holding tank. Gets all the residue off your sensors. So now when you press your monitor panel, you should have a correct reading. You have an automatic awning with pull bars on both sides. So when your awning is out and it starts raining a little bit, you can grab onto either side of the bar, pull on it, it'll tilt your awning for you. You also have rain guards that designate your black streaks from one side to the other. You got a spot here for a TV. You got two outside speakers. They light up blue at night, and they're also waterproof. But if you want to put a TV here and you got cable hookup in the back, you don't have to run a line underneath the cable hookup. Your cable hookup is right here, and you got outlets right here. Over here in the back, you got a little doggy latch, nice bike or gas grill. You don't want it to disappear. The bumper here, you can put your sewer hose in your bumper, which is for storage. This right here is a cargo rack. This will hold up to 200 pounds. If you notice, you got some off-road tires on here, which is nice. You also got electric jacks on this too. You push a button, your jacks go down automatically. Over here, you got some more storage. Magnet door. "30-foot cord, no hole. Mice like to live in a hole. That hole is gone. 30-foot cords in your basement. Outside light. This right here is your dump station, gray and black water. Over here is your outside shower. You got hot and cold running water with a little wand. This right here is your city water hookup. And this right here is your fresh water fill. Little tidbit I'd like to bring out to my customers is that when you're gonna go to a campground that doesn't offer water, when you make that phone call, it's a yes or no question. Hey, can I fill my water up? Sure you can. Now you're not towing with a bunch of water. So remember that. Tankless water heater. It's a 6-gallon tankless water heater. You'll have hot water in about 14 seconds. Still gotta take a marine shower though. Rinse down, lather up, rinse down. Can't let the water run because you'll run out of hot water. All right, we also got this hideout window I wanna show you. I call it a hideout window because when you open up the door, you'll see the window. Also, it's a friction door. So I go to here and it doesn't even slam against the wall and it's windy out. There's your window right there. All right, we're gonna go inside. All right, guys, this is the inside of it. This coach weighs in at about 4,300 pounds. You got a rear kitchen right here, about 7.5 cubic refrigerator. You also have a solar panel on top of the roof, which is a 100-watt solar panel. That right here is your quick disconnect for that panel. This right here is your built-in power converter with all your fuses, and that'll trickle charge your battery when you're traveling down the road with your car, especially when you have a hot lead like a brake controller. You have a 2-burner stove on this. Nice big barn sink. And also this will give you a little bit of ambiance. So if you hit this button, all your knobs turn blue. You also have an air fryer right here / microwave oven. And then you got some room right here. You put a nice little Lazy Susan right there. Inside speakers, they light up blue at night. It's a subwoofer. And then this right here is your jackknife sofa. Pulls out, makes into a bed. And then right here is different because then I have a dinette table, but you got a little seating lounge here. You got a big window here. You got a flat screen TV right there. This right here is for your furnace. This right here is your AC. You got a 13.5 BTU AC. It's got a quick cool down on it. So when you walk into the camper and it's hot in here, turn that on and it'll cool the unit right down for you. You also have little storage cubes over here. Lots of storage for you. For a little camper, it's pretty nice, or a couple unit. Then you got a split bathroom here. Good sized shower. You got a sky dome in here with a shower curtain instead of a glass shower enclosure when you always bang your elbow on it. This will give a little bit. Push pedal flush toilet. It's something that you don't have to go here and not grab the knob. Good sized sink for a small camper, I'm gonna say it again. Good vanity, lots of storage, guys. And then you have some storage underneath your bed. This is a queen size bed. You got some boxes here still. That right there is a screen. You can use it as a kick out window that'll open up. And then you got a window here that'll open up also. This over here is a built-in inverter. So if you have a sleep app or an alarm clock or something, you can plug it in and it'll feed off your battery. You also got storage bins for his and hers. And you got storage on the top. So come on down, come see me. My name's Russ, Lee's Auto and RV Ranch.